Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash. I'm your trader next door. So in this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for 24th March 2021. So this analysis is for 24th March only. You'll see me tomorrow again with a new list of stocks for 25th March. Okay, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendations. And so let's jump to the chart. So we can see that already I have written the first name of the stock, and it's AAL, Anglo American. Okay, so the last traded price of the stock was 2721, and you can see that there is a daily support available at 2720 level, and the stock has just closed above the daily support level, which is a very good thing. So looking at the selling capacity yesterday, so if we get any opportunity, selling opportunity below 2710 level, okay, so we can go for shorting the stock. Okay, so in case you get the stock below 2710 level, and if you see that sellers are still very much active on the stock, then you can go ahead and short the stock. But if the stock doesn't go below 2710 level, and as I mentioned, there is a support on the 2720 level. So if you see that the stock is taking support at 2720 level and about to bounce back from there, okay, you can go for a buy above this level. Okay, so though the support is at 2720 level, but we need confirmation. Okay, we need confirmation about the bounce. So buy above 2775 and sell below 2710 level. Okay, and the next stock for the day is Glenco. For Glenco, you can see that it has formed a bearish candle yesterday. Okay, and with some price rejection from above, so which signifies that the selling pressure may be there. Okay, the selling pressure may continue on the stock. Okay, and the last traded price of the stock is 272, and we will look for shorting opportunity below 270.50. Okay, so if you get any opportunity below 270.50 level, and you see that there is heavy selling pressure on the stock, okay, then just short below this level. Okay, 270.50 level. So the third stock for today is EVR average. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know I also tell about the beautiful uptrend. So now the party is over. Okay, since last week the stock is in downtrend, and we can see that the stock has formed a small candle yesterday, and day before yesterday there was a shooting star kind of a pattern, which signifies that there are some sellers in the stock who are not allowing the price to go up. Okay. The last traded price of the stock was 530.8 level. So as the stock is in downtrend now, so we will only be looking for selling opportunity. Okay, so what is the price level? Price level is 529. Okay, so if we get the stock below 529 level, and we see that yes, the sellers are there. Okay, if you see any good selling opportunity below 529 level, okay, then you can short the stock below 529 level. In case you get the stock between 529 and this 540 range, okay, then it's a no trading zone. Only short the stock below 529 level. So the fourth stock for today is BLND, British Land Company. For BLND, okay, for BLND you can see that it has formed a doji kind of a pattern. Generally, this kind of a doji suggests that market is an indecision right now. Market is not sure whether it will go up or whether it will go down. Okay, so generally it signifies indecision in the market. And you have seen I have drawn two lines here. Okay, the last traded price is 501 level. Okay, so as I have mentioned, the stock is in indecision now, so we will look for selling opportunity below 496 level. Okay, you can short the stock below 496 level, and you can go for buy above 510 level. Okay, short the stock below 496 and buy above 510, and in case you get a stock trading between 5496 and 510. 496 and 510, no need to trade, avoid it. Okay, this is the price that you need to look for BLND. So the next stock and the last stock for the day is Prudential. For Prudential, you can see that somehow it has managed to close above the daily resistance yesterday, and that's a very good sign. Okay, day before yesterday it has made a hammer kind of a pattern. So yesterday I told you that if you yesterday I also recommended to buy. Okay, and yes, we it has managed to survive above the daily resistance and ultimately closed at 1546 level. So what is the price that we need to look for today? So if you get the stock above 1547 level or yesterday's high, okay, you can just simply go ahead and buy. Okay, because day before yesterday it has formed a hammer. Okay, yesterday it has closed the daily resistance and closed above the daily resistance, good sign. So today you can buy above the yesterday's high, which was 1546. So I have mentioned 1547. Okay, so these are the 5 stocks that you need to keep your eyes on, and you can make money on 24th March. So hopefully you have understood. So thank you so much, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. See you tomorrow with a new list of stocks. Bye bye, all the best. See you tomorrow, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye.